Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this looks like 5 waves up for wave A. I think we are likely now in an A, B, C of wave B, before we actually probably go up and make that bigger wave C. So keep that in mind as we go down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, I think this move down right here is extremely clearly 5 waves down. I think it's a wave A. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave B. I think this is likely now going to make 5 waves down for a wave C of wave B. Just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, technically the trend is not proven to be over, but I think it's pretty likely that the wave 1 is now complete. This is probably now in a wave A of wave 2. Eventually, it's probably going to go down, make a B, and probably back up for a wave C. And this should be an A, B, C of wave 2, which should be a correction to this wave 1, eventually continuing the downtrend. But I think this correction is potentially going to last at least a week or two. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, as of right now, I only have my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. This move to me is very, very clearly an uptrend. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and possibly we're in a wave 5 right now. Until we actually get a bigger structure to the downside, we can't really say that this first section of trend is actually over. I mean, it could easily continue up and make a more proper 3, 4, 5 up here. But I still think this is a wave A. Probably a wave A of wave 2 like I showed on the daily. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Now if it breaks structure to the downside, then yeah, definitely start looking for shorts. But until that happens, I'm still looking for longs. I mean, there's no reason at all to say this is over. If it goes down and breaks structure, then heck yeah, I'm going to start looking for shorts on pullbacks. But like I said, I'm not really convinced that it's actually over yet. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it made another higher low and just kept on pushing up. Most wave A's do end around the high of that structure level I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. So until this wave A is proven to be over with a breaker structure to the downside, I'm definitely still looking for longs on these shorter time frames. Most likely this is only a wave A of a big ABC correction of wave 2. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.